Before a single rupees lent or invested, a single decision can make all the difference. Credit rating. This is what investors, lenders, and even analysts rely on before putting their money into any company. But what is this credit rating? Let's break down the credit rating mechanism that works in India in simple steps and why it's a must-know for every finance professional. A credit rating is an independent opinion on company's ability to repay its loan on time. It's like a report card, but for businesses. These ratings are issued by credit rating agencies or CRAs. In India, major ones are CRISIL, CRE, and ICRA. They evaluate companies and assign ratings like AAA, AA, A, BBB, BB, and all the way down to D, where AAA is the safest and D is default. But why are these ratings so important? Simple. The higher the rating, the lower the borrowing cost. A company with AAA can raise funds easily and with low borrowing cost. Investors use these ratings to decide where to put their money. Lenders use them to assess the credit risk, and even regulators use them to monitor systemic risk in the economy. How are these ratings assigned? Here's the step-by-step process. Step 1. Information gathering. The company provides financial statements, business details, debt structure, management credentials, and future plans. Step 2. Analysis and list. They evaluate both quantitative like cash flows, ratios, capital structure, and qualitative factors like governance, industry outlook, promoter history. Step 3. Committee review. The rating team presents its findings to a rating committee which discusses and finalizes the rating. This adds check and balances. Step 4. Rating release and monitoring. The rating is published publicly, but the process doesn't stop here. CRAs continuously monitor the company and update the rating if there are material changes like a new loan, profit dip, or default. As a credit analyst, you must look beyond numbers. You look at leverage ratio. Is the company borrowing too much? Interest coverage. Can it pay its interest from its earning? Cash flow consistency. Are the operations generating enough money? Management quality. Can they handle downturns? Industry risk. Is it cyclical or stable? These factors influence not only your rating but your decision making. In a world where trust matters more than numbers, understanding credit rating mechanism gives you a sharp edge in roles like lending, investment, and risk. Want some expert help to make the switch? DM us the word career and let's build your finance future.